I am a professor, I am a periodontist, I work at the university, I work in my private practice, and I'm lecturing around the world. And this is my professional life. On the other side, I have my real life, which consists of a family of 3 daughters and a dog. And this is the most important aspect in my life, and try to balance the commitments I have. Sometimes it's really tough, but I think that the most important aspect is passion, is doing what you really love to do. And I love to spend quality time with my daughters, and I also love my job. I love my career, so I cannot do without both aspects in my life.